Assalamualaikum kawan-kawan. Hari ni ayah nak masak dumpling ya. Pasti senang. Jangan ke mana-mana. Tunggu ya. Sebelum kita memasak, kawan-kawan jangan lupa tekan butang subscribe. Terima kasih. Resepi akan Alia beri di akhir video ini. Jom kita masak.
I felt it in my heart that it was time, a change of scenery, to get a little lost, to feel alive and reach beyond me. I walked into the first cafe in France. I'm so cliche. When I saw him, I felt the room divide into pieces. Oh, the lights dance around us just like stars in the sky. One night in Paris with the men I barely knew. I'm lost in a moment. C'est la vie, c'est la chance, c'est l'amour. It happened all too fast. The perfect night for perfect strangers. Wait, he wrapped the curls of his mustache around his fingers, and like a little girl who's never been to Disneyland, when I saw him I felt the room divide into pieces. Oh, the lights dance around us just like stars in the sky. One night in Paris with the men I barely knew. I'm lost in a moment. C'est la vie, c'est la chance, c'est l'amour. And when I think about him, I wish I had it all to do again, because I wanna be just like Marie, so let me decay. When I saw him, I felt the room divide into pieces. Oh, the lights dance around us just like stars in the sky. One night in Paris with the men I barely knew. I'm lost in a moment. C'est la vie, c'est la chance, c'est l'amour. I felt it in my heart that it was time, a change of scenery, to get a little lost, to feel alive and reach beyond me. I walked into the first cafe in France. I'm so cliche. When I saw him, I felt the room divide into pieces. Oh, the lights dance around us just like stars in the sky. One night in Paris with the men I barely knew. I'm lost in a moment. C'est la vie, c'est la chance, c'est l'amour. It happened all too fast. The perfect night for perfect strangers. Wait, he wrapped the curls of his mustache around his fingers, and never been to Disneyland. When I saw him, I felt the room divide into pieces. Oh, the lights dance around us just like stars in the sky. One night in Paris with the men I barely knew. I'm lost in a moment. C'est la vie, c'est la chance, c'est l'amour. And when I think about him, I wish I had it all to do again, because I wanna be just like Marie.